Hi, I'm Tom Blacklock, Applications Engineer here at Sonardyne for ADCPs. I'm going to be talking you through how to upload an Edge application onto our Origin 600 ADCP. Uploading an Edge application to your ADCP couldn't be easier, and in just a few clicks you'll be able to deploy. All you need is your Origin, your subcon connector, your PoE injector and the laptop. Don't worry if you don't have a PoE injector, because we can do all of this just off the ADCP's battery. First, remove the waterproof plug from your subcon. Then, plug in your subcon cable and plug the other end into your computer. Once you've done this, open up your preferred internet browser and then you can start. Once your ADCP is powered up, which will take about 20 seconds from removing your battery disconnect, on your internet browser type in 192.168.179.20 and this will bring up your Origin ADCP portal. Once you're on your portal, navigate to the Edge icon. Once here, we can import an app. Press the import button at the bottom of the summary page. Once you've navigated to your application, click it and press open. For this example, we're using the Waves Agram Live application. Once it's loaded onto your ADCP, it'll go into the summary section on the left-hand side of the page. This is how you can tell it's been uploaded. If you want to check, you can simply press refresh. Now this is on your ADCP, all you need to do is start a schedule and deploy. The Edge app will process your data and export it either through the modem or leave it on the device for later data retrieval. If you'd like to know more, head to our knowledge base on sonardyne.com. Thank you for watching.